Today, we are going to talk about and demonstrate actionable automation and the power of digitization, how a manual process can be digitized in a seamless way. Have you ever thought how digital automation can benefit and how many problems it can solve? The first and foremost thing being that it can reduce your turnaround time for processing. Secondly, it can eliminate all manual errors. Additionally, it can reduce the cost of acquisition or the cost associated to a process. There are many more such benefits involved. The use case I'm going to showcase is of a loan acquisition process. I'm sure everyone is familiar with the loan process, either applying for a loan or giving a loan if you are working with a bank. AAG's digital automation platform has five distinct services which are at the epicenter of automation and digitization. These services are presentation services, which is for developing web, mobile, and PWA interface UI. It works on the fundamental of build once and distribute across channels. RPA service, which helps you automate human tasks. All repetitive and time-consuming tasks can be done by the bot. BPM services, a model-driven high-performance business process management tool, which is important for defining or redefining business processes in the digital journey. Decision services, which helps you to define various rules and validations. And last but not the least, our world-class content repository, Mobius, which is part of the repository service. The most important thing about this platform is that all these services are already integrated, so no more integration cost to different vendors for every change request or customization. The two big benefits of ASG's digital platform are it saves 50% time and 50% cost. Time saved in terms of development time or time to market for competitive advantage, cost saved in terms of integration cost, consolidation of systems by replacing 5 different systems with one platform, and most importantly, cost saved due to the time saved. Before we start the demo, let me walk you through the process of loan acquisition that has been designed. Let me explain you how the 5 services of our solution are utilized in the loan acquisition process. There is a web form designed for the customer to enter the personal information and upload the identity documents. There are multiple processes designed, which are the green boxes here. These are processes which are the API calls to verify the customer details against various internal or external databases. They also do a credit report pull from the credit bureaus to check the credit rating of the customer. The uploaded documents are ingested into Mobius using REST API of Mobius. RPA plays an important part in extracting the information from the document using OCR. The bot also validates the date of birth across all documents. Such validations are very much important in any process. Finally, on the basis of the credit score and verification rules, the loan application reaches the inbox of the credit manager for review and decision on the loan application. Let's now jump to the actual demo. Let us assume that this is the homepage of the bank's website or mobile app. The customer visits the bank's website or uses the bank's mobile app to apply for a personal loan. I'll click on Apply Now under the loan icon to start the process. As part of the loan process, customer will fill out all the mandatory fields of the form. The fields have been pre-filled for the purpose of this demo. I'm going to enter the mobile number of the customer and also select the loan amount and tenure. The loan amount in this case would be 200,000 and loan tenure is going to be 48 months. I'm going to click on Next now. On this page, the customer will upload 3 different identity documents. Please note that the documents in this demo are specific to a country which is India in this case. However, every country will have their own identity documents, which will be defined as per the laws of the land. Once I click on the extract details button, a process will be triggered. And as part of the process, a RPA bot will be invoked. The RPA bot will extract all the information from the three documents using its out-of-the-box OCR functionality. The bot will also check if the date of birth matches in all the documents that have been uploaded. I'm going to click on Extract Details button now. As you can see, the bot has extracted all the information from the documents and has also performed the date of birth validation between the documents. In a traditional manual process, this activity would have been done by a human to check the information in the documents and also validate them. This could have easily taken few minutes to an hour if performed by a human, but the same activity was done by the bot in few seconds. An important point to note is that all the manual errors can be eliminated by automating a process. All of you would know that giving a loan to a wrong person involves financial risk and regulatory or compliance risk. So all these risks can be avoided by digitizing and automating a process. On submitting the details, a new process will be triggered. The new process will verify these details against the internal and external databases. It will also pull the credit report of the customer to check his credit rating. I'll click on Submit now. As you can see, the customer's two documents have failed the verification process, even though the customer has a good credit score of 800. These are some of the rules configured in the application as part of decision service. Due to the failed verification, customer's loan application has been rejected. The bank has saved itself from giving loan to a wrong person, and this decision was taken without any human intervention in few minutes. Let us take another example of a new customer. I'll click on Apply now. The form filling process remains the same. I'll select the loan amount and tenure. I'll click Next now. The document uploading process also remains the same. Once I click on Extract Details, the bot will extract the information from the documents as shown before. The bot execution is completed now. Technically, this bot execution will happen on the server side. I'll click on Submit now. A new process got triggered where the verification process and credit rating pull using APIs was triggered. As you can see the difference now, the verification process has been successful for this customer. However, due to the low credit score of the customer at 700, this application will be forwarded to the credit manager for review. So this was another rule that has been configured as part of the process. Now the credit manager gets a notification in his inbox. I'll just go to the notification box now. This notification inbox is an out-of-the-box feature of the platform. The credit manager gets to review the entire application form here. He can also check the verification status, and he can also download the documents which are in Mobius repository. Now the credit manager has the authority to take a decision on this loan application. He can either approve a loan or reject the loan. Let us assume that the credit manager has approved the loan. In that case, I'll click select approve and I'll click on submit. The difference that will take place after this submission is the process which is in waiting right now, once submitted, will change to completed. As you can see on the left side, the process has status has changed to completed. This case showcased how different rules can be configured within the platform as per the bank's credit policy and risk variables. The highlight of our platform is to empower our clients with speed and flexibility in their digital journey at the lowest time and cost. This brings us to the end of the demo.